This patient here is a young barn owl that we got back at the end of December with a fractured humerus. And you can see on this film that it's been there for a while because it's trying to remodel. It's got the bone's not lined up, but you've got a large callus. So we took that bird to surgery the same day that we did this x-ray and placed a pin. So this is a picture in surgery of an IM pin that's been placed. So you have to add what's called external fixators to prevent rotation. And those are pins that go perpendicular to the original pin. Then we will add acrylic, and that stabilizes the whole piece. This bird is now learning to fly in a much larger cage.